Hola chicos, it is work from home day here at school, so I got to come to school dressed super casually, but you guys get to dress casually to work from home day every day. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying that. I'm going to go over pages 7 and 8 with you guys in your workbooks. Please follow along. This will give you good information. Again, your quiz is tomorrow. So on page 7, activity 1, we have ¿Qué les gusta hacer? Number 1 would be a ellas les gusta escribir. Number 2 would be a nosotros nos gusta aprender. Number 3 would be a ustedes les gusta pasar un rato con los amigos. 4 is a ti te gusta. 5 is a mí me gusta. Number 2 we have a mis amigas no les gusta. Number 2 is a Napoleón le gusta pasar un rato con los amigos. Número 3 is a ellas les gusta tocar la guitarra. Número 4, a mí me gusta estudiar. Número 5, a ustedes les gusta alquilar un DVD. Y número 6, a ti te gusta comprar fruta. If you're not getting those right, please go back and look at that chart. I linked it in Canvas. It's called Gustar chart. Yes. Let me just show that to you super quickly. So if you go to modules, and you go all the way down and it says Gustar chart, that's under module unit 1.1. That's going to help you in these things. Me te le nos os les. So, number 3, the correct answers for number 1 would be a ellos les gusta descansar or a ellos les gusta leer. Número 2, a ella le gusta jugar al fútbol, because that's singular, we're talking about her. And finally, número 3, a él le gusta comer helado. So notice when it's singular person, we use le. When it's 2 or more people, we use les, right? And that's if we're talking about them. If we're talking directly to them, that's going to be different, right? If we're talking directly to them, we're going to use te or os or les. Les would be you all in Latin America. Os would be you all in Spain. And te is just used universally. Okay, let's flip the page to page 8. Your answer for number 1 should be A, number 2 D, number 3 B, and number 4 C. Number 2, we got a Marcos y Marisela. Now, if that's grammatically correct, it'd be a Marcos y a Marisela. A Marcos y a Marisela les gusta comer papas fritas. That's your les gusta, because it is plural, and you're talking about them. Número 2, a ustedes les gusta preparar la comida. Again, if we look at our chart, we see the les goes with a ustedes and a ellos. So if you have 2 or more people, that goes into this category. That would be like saying they like. Also, a ustedes is les gusta as well. That mixes up my classes here a lot. So ustedes, that means you all. Don't forget that. This is you all. Ellos and ellas means they. And if you have 2 people's names, that also means they. Número 3, we have a mis amigas y a mí nos gusta practicar deportes. That's because it's me and other people with me. So that's we like. We like to practicar deportes. You can see that here. A person y a mí nos gusta. And finally, a ti te gusta pasar or pasear los sábados. Finally, número 3, we got answer the questions in complete sentences using a plus a pronoun. So number 1, ¿le gusta tocar la guitarra a la maestra? So remember, maestra means teacher. So we're asking, does the teacher like to play the guitar? Because le gusta, remember, means he or she likes. It can also be used for usted, but here we're saying a la maestra. So we know we're talking about la maestra. So the answer would be sí, a ella le gusta tocar la guitarra, or no, a ella no le gusta tocar la guitarra. Let me write that out for you guys in a Google Doc, just so we can see that. Google Doc. So sí, a ella le gusta tocar la guitarra. Or no, comma, a ella no le gusta tocar la guitarra. Notice how we have a double negative here. We have your no. A ella no le gusta tocar la guitarra. You're always going to put a no if you're negating something in front of your le gusta, or if it's me gusta, te gusta, les gusta, always goes directly before both of those two words together. So a ella no le gusta tocar la guitarra. Next question is, ¿les gusta comer fruta a ustedes? So we're talking about ustedes, so we're talking about you all. So you're answering that question. So if I ask you, do you all like to eat fruit? The answer would be no, we don't like to eat fruit. So that'd be no, a nosotros no nos gusta comer fruta. Or you could have said sí, a nosotros nos gusta comer fruta. Now, if I just said sí, nos gusta comer fruta, that's also grammatically correct. Sorry, nos gusta, not no gusta. That's grammatically correct. If I said no nos gusta comer fruta, that's also grammatically correct. Putting this a nosotros in here, that is just emphasizing who we're talking about. So if you take it out, it's grammatically correct. If you put it in, it's grammatically correct. Number 3, te gusta beber jugo? If I'm talking to you, te gusta, you'd respond by saying me gusta. So sí, a mí me gusta beber jugo, or no, a mí no me gusta beber jugo. And finally, number 4, les gusta leer libros a ellas? So we're talking about a ellas. So the answer would be sí, a ellas les gusta leer libros. Sí, a ellas les gusta leer libros. Or no, a ellas no les gusta leer libros. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful with you guys in checking your pages 7 and 8 with that. You have a quiz tomorrow, so please be studying your forms of gustar. Also study your forms of ser, study your pronouns, and study your vocabulary. And a friendly reminder, your study guide is under Unit 1.1, under Unit 1.1 study guide. So please check that out. Gracias, mis estudiantes, y hasta luego.